Hello everyone, welcome to another video with me where I'm actually doing some engine work to my 3 Series. Got a bit of a boost pipe leak at the moment and looking to repair that. So got the new pipe which has arrived, got it off eBay. I just thought cheap and cheerful, been able to find it. Not exactly the OEM replacement, but you'll see what I mean about that. So you probably seen earlier on where I did try to do a quick fix. Well, actually it kind of worked. It wasn't creating as much black smoke coming out of the exhaust. Only on literally wide open throttle, when the boost was in, would it actually create some black smoke. At the same time, when it created that black smoke while the boost was on, it basically made a large farting noise, which you probably saw in the last video. That squeal was just too much, and you know, it meant that I wasn't wanting to put it on boost at any point, which actually worked out to be better fuel economy wise. But if you slightly go into boost, it just makes a really loud annoying noise. So this pipe is basically the replacement for it. I'm gonna take that one off, fingers crossed it should be fairly easy, and then put this one on. I'm gonna open it up. So it's pretty similar to the original one. It's got that little rubber thing as well, which this also has, and it looks to be fairly decent quality. Fingers crossed it stands up to the torture that I'll put it through. But right, I'm gonna show you all what the actual issue is at the moment, and then we'll go from there. So this is the quick little fix that I did. I don't know exactly where it was leaking through, but it's gonna be probably in one of these gaps or something, I don't know, but it doesn't really matter. Gonna look at taking that off. But over here, that's not actually a Jubilee clip, that's an actual metal ring style thing. So all of that pipe kind of seems to me like it's all one set piece. I'm actually going to try and do now is actually take the top part off, see if it can loosen up from the bottom, and take that one off. If not, then I'll have to cut that metal part down a little bit. Got the Dremel to do that with, and then be able to look at putting the new one on with a Jubilee clip. Fingers crossed this works. If it doesn't, I'll have to buy the entire piece replacement from a scrapyard or something. But ideally, I just wanted to replace this. This was about, I think it was £15 that I got it for. Scrapyard, one of those is around £35, but it means taking the bumper off and those kind of things, getting to the bottom pipe, and then being able to take the whole thing off. You probably can do it by jacking the car up, under trays removed, and being able to unclip it from the bottom and unclip it from the top. But I just thought if this works, this would be great. It's a brand new item, so it should be a little bit more reliable. I'm not saying the secondhand ones won't be, but it's kind of hit and miss. You either get a good one, or you could have one that within 6 months same thing happens again. This might happen as well, so if it does happen, I'll definitely update the vlogs. But if not, this should hopefully be a good fix. So time to get some gloves on. I've already removed the top engine cover, and then I can look at now just removing that and hopefully yanking the whole thing off. So looking through here, oh my god, the EGR is so dirty. I gotta clean that up a little bit. I don't feel right about leaving it that bad. Pipe looks to be okay. Yep, there's a little bit of oily residue there. I'm gonna try and clean it up as much as I can. This is, I guess, it's kind of good little time to do some maintenance work like this. It actually come off quite nicely once I cut that little line off. Got the metal clip piece off. This is just like a metal retainer clip, but fingers crossed shouldn't be an issue with the other Jubilee clip on. Can't really see inside of here as to what, don't know how it got ripped, to be honest with you, but not to worry. That was definitely disgusting, and something that I will want to look into properly cleaning up in the future. It's one of those things where if you take better care of these little things, it'll just be better for you in the long term. Can't believe how much crap there is in here. Probably gained like 20 brake horsepower just there alone. But right, got the new pipe. I'm going to actually, so this is my replacement Jubilee clip for the bottom part. It's 55 to 70 millimeters. So we'll see how this goes. I'm going to actually, I'm going to put the pipe on first and then put the Jubilee clip on afterwards. I think that's probably the best way. Fingers crossed I can actually get this pipe back on. And I'm trying to be careful that I don't apply too much pressure over here, because I don't want to cause anything else to come loose at the bottom. That was one of the moments where I would say heat is your friend. I just put it next to my little heater over here. I did try warming it up with some hot water. It did make it a little bit looser, but I think just applying direct heat to it and then quickly putting it onto the pipe just allowed it to be a better and smoother install. So I'm gonna quickly, just thinking what's the best way to do it. I'm gonna do it this way. So I'm just gonna tighten up the bottom one. Luckily, obviously you can bend the tube inwards. I thought this pipe was longer, but it seems to be quite a lot of effort to get on there. That seems to be on there nice and good now. Let's put this up here. Give that a quick little start up. Fingers crossed that means the boost leak is fixed. But that looks to be a perfect finish now. Happy days. That was £15 well spent. Definitely better than the other thing that I tried out. But at least now you all know. Just making sure again. I'll update everyone if there is any issues with this. If there isn't, then it worked. So everyone, I hope that was an entertaining and helpful video for you all. If it was, a thumbs up would be really appreciated, as well as consider subscribing to see more from me and supporting the channel. Every view, every comment, every like, every subscribe, it helps me out massively. I don't think you all realize. It means that I can hopefully, build the channel a bit more and continue delivering some good content for you all. That was a fairly cheap fix, and like I said, it's a lot simpler than having to go down to the bottom and remove all these other bits and pieces. It's just a quick little boost leak, and I'll leave a link for the actual item in the description below. Along with that, if there was anything else that you would like to know from me about this car, then please get in touch and I'm more than happy to help out. But for now, I'll see you all in the next video. Peace out, catch you later.